large candy store. Christmas Charmer was going to eat one of his sweets. And then she was going to write, and when she nearly finished her sweets, and then she was ready to write a note. He writes this, then the next page. Dear Dad, I know the truth. I'm sorry. That's more times. You can do it. Don Ted. When Bullseye went to ground, going to the house, she was ready to go out. But back at the candy store, Princess Cherry he was getting all the sweets. One rabbit, one mousy mouses, 3 teddy teds, 2 big bat balls, 2 big sweets, 2 big candies, 2 big man mouses, 2 big bonbons, 2 big nice cherry powders, 2 big cherries, 2 big cherries, 2 big flowers, 4
Wait till we get a few more of these boxes up.
When they opened the door, oh no, said the bus driver. Ah, said the king. Said Nutty Nelly. And whoa, said the queen. When they went home, they put the muzzle on Sister Summer. Her mouth was fixed. Her sister was